to enable or disable mobile data saver on the Redmi A7 Pro, first of all, we can go to the security app. Now, once we go to the security app, we're going to scroll down a little bit over here, and then in here you might be able to find data usage in common features. But if not, you want to scroll all the way down and swipe up to open this toolbox. And then you want to go to data usage in here. You want to agree to send app and network usage and diagnostic data. And now in here we can tap on the setting icon in the upper right corner. Now here we should be able to go to the data plan for your SIM. And then in here we have the monthly data limit, which we can easily set up over here. So let's say I'm gonna set 50 gigabytes. And there we go. We can also choose what should happen when the data plan is used. You can also adjust warning settings. And if you go back after setting up the limit, there is also the data usage warning option where we can set up the daily data limit. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.